Hello everybody, today in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on the chats on the bottom right here. From here let's choose a person to first start by blocking them, and then after that I'm going to show you how to unblock them. Say I want to block this one right here. Tap on the profile, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After that tap on manage friendship and then tap on block. I confirm the block. Now you tap on your profile right here and then tap on the gear button on the top right corner. From here scroll down until you find blocked. This one right here, tap on it and then tap on the X next to the person that you want to unblock. And then confirm. After that, the person is unblocked. Just go and search for them. All you have to do is to add them back, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.